Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe there's a huge move coming up for both of them. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today, AMC and GameStop stock were green throughout the whole day. The volume for AMC stock has been extremely high ever since they did announce that the debt in 2026 is now going to be due in 2029, and Q2 earnings for AMC is coming up this Friday. So it is going to be a super exciting day. We're going to hear what Adam Aaron has to say, and I do feel like they are going to go into more detail about the debt that's due in 2029 and in 2026. They're going to talk about Usher's new concert film coming next month to AMC theaters. That's going to be huge and make AMC a lot of extra money, and Q2 did beat estimates after all, so that's also extremely good to see. But AMC did close up 4% today at $5.31, and it was up over 5% today, trading at $5.39. So it's just been green throughout the whole day, never broke red one time, as well as GameStop. So GameStop was also green throughout the whole day. At one point it was up over 4%, trading at $23.45, which is close to Roaring Kitty's average price. And the volume for GameStop has been pretty low. Today it was at 8 million, and the past couple of days has been below 10 million. So just extremely low volume for GameStop. There hasn't been any news, but GameStop has been making some changes behind the scenes. If we take a look at Ryan Cohen's picture on X, it's a freaking girl now. He's hinting to us that a huge transformation is coming. If we take a look at the GameStop logo, it's now red. So that could mean that they're about to push a freaking red button, or I don't know what the hell they're gonna do, but I really do feel like a huge announcement is coming up for GameStop. It has just been too quiet. But amazing day for both AMC and GME, just green throughout the whole day. So Deadpool and Wolverine has grossed over $545 million at the worldwide box office as of today. So it's already coming up on 1 week for Deadpool and Wolverine at AMC theaters, and it has already grossed over $500 million freaking dollars. This is guaranteed gonna reach over $1 billion, and it's just going to be amazing to see. Q3 is probably going to be the best quarter that we've ever had since before the pandemic. It's gonna be huge. And just the fact that AMC is down 90% from what it was trading at a year ago today, it just doesn't make sense for it to be trading this low when it's only been breaking records every other freaking day and announcing amazing news, debt restructure. That has been the biggest argument for AMC. AMC has a bunch of debt due. Why would you invest in a company like that? It's not due till 2029, and look at the freaking movie slate. Look at how much the box office is earning. It's some big numbers. So I really do feel like Q3 for AMC is going to be a huge profitable quarter, and all the quarters after Q3 of 2024 are going to be profitable. So this guy said GameStop is having quite a volatile month of July. It started with a bullish hourly trigger, daily trigger, leading to a 19% increase in price, and ended with a bearish crossover, leading to a 10% decline in price. All normal price action as we approach the biggest trigger crossover of them all, the weekly trigger / monthly trigger. Once those triggers cross, the next move above the daily trigger should ignite the long-awaited melt up. In other words, the shorter time frame continues to look bearish while price is below the HT plus DT, but the macro view looks incredibly bullish as the WT is preparing to cross the MT for the first time since January of 2021. So it does look like GameStop is ready to have this massive move. Perfect timing for a huge announcement for GameStop. Like I said, it has been way too quiet for GameStop. Roaring Kitty hasn't posted in over a month. Ryan Cohen hasn't really said anything about the $4 billion in cash that they have. It's just waiting for one single announcement to go parabolic. The biggest reversals in the stock market do always happen on low volume, and that is what we've seen on GameStop. Really low volume. So AMC continues to hold above 60 million shares shorted. So the short interest has gone up over 10% just in the past month, and according to this, there's over 60 million shares of AMC that are shorted. So that number is sitting pretty high, and I feel like it's high right now because a lot of people are expecting for AMC to drop on earnings. At this point, anything is possible. We've seen AMC drop almost basically on every single earnings. It's had a drop, a huge drop. I don't know if it's possible to break break the cycle on this earnings, it's not going to be the best when it comes to revenue. AMC did lose $32 million, but they are going to be talking about some amazing news, guys, like the debt restructure, the Usher concert film coming next month, and all the new movies that are coming out that are making billions of dollars. It's just extremely good for AMC. So this guy said, Will Ashworth writes constant GameStop hit pieces for investor place. Does this sick bastard look trustworthy to you? So this sick criminal bastard has been the one making the majority of the investor place articles, just absolutely bashing GameStop every single day and trying to get people to sell. So the most recent investor place article says GameStop's silence speaks volumes. Why you should be wary of GME stock. So this guy just keeps going on with the FUD articles to keep as much people away from GameStop stock because the hedge funds are already screwed. There was tons of people in short positions when GameStop was at $10. When AMC was at $3. These people basically are liquidated. These people are going bankrupt and they deserve it. They had it freaking coming. These sick bastards are gonna get a taste of their own medicine. Now they are locked in with the bulls and we're not freaking selling. This guy said, AMC, get ready for a run to double digits very soon. Ignore the bears. They just reconstructed the debt. They will not go bankrupt all the way until 2030, guaranteed. Do we really expect that people will simply stop going to movie theaters? This is so insanely undervalued at the moment, and we should be trading at $50 right now as it stands. See y'all at double digits minimum. So none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. When it comes to AMC and GameStop, it's extremely risky, but we just saw AMC jump from $2.90 all the way to $13.50, guys. It has a lot more room to go up than to go down from where it's trading at right now. I have loaded up over $20,000 all into AMC stock, and right now I am still holding some GameStop call options. I basically have almost all my money right now spread between AMC and GME, mostly AMC stock, because I do believe that AMC is just extremely undervalued. I've been investing in AMC since before the split, so once I saw AMC crash basically 90% after this reverse split, I've just been looking at AMC as a value investment because it's extremely undervalued. It is basically trading at 50 cents before the split. It just doesn't make sense. And with Q2 earnings coming up this Friday, really anything could happen. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen to AMC stock for Q2 earnings coming up this Friday. I would not doubt if we do drop back below $5, just going based off what's happened the past couple of earnings. It is very possible, but at the same time we can break the cycle with this news of the debt restructure. We haven't had news like this ever, so I know Adam Aaron is going to go more into detail with the earnings coming up this Friday, and it is just going to be huge for AMC. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GME stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy the